Hi there, I'm Dr. Kate, an Ontario optometrist, and let me walk you through a comprehensive eye exam that is fun, simple, and full of smiles. During the eye exam, we check 4 important areas of a child's vision. First, we check how clearly your child can see by showing them letters or numbers. And don't worry if they can't read yet, we have fun pictures too. Then, we check how well their eyes move and work together by moving a paddle back and forth and observing their response. Kids love when we bring out these fun little friends to guide their eyes. We also get to try on cool 3D glasses to see how well their eyes work together to tell how close or far away things are. This is called depth perception. Next, we check if they need a prescription to help them focus with a test called retinoscopy. During this test, we shine a light into their eyes and use different lenses to get our measurements. We might also use a big machine called a phoropter or special handheld lenses to fine-tune their prescription. Finally, we make sure their eyes are healthy and developing properly using special lights and lenses. Nothing touches the eye and the whole process is quick and simple. See how fun and easy it was? We make sure your child has a great experience and we look forward to meeting you soon.